Hello, everyone. Today I'll discuss about beats and sound waves. So when you play music, yes, you know beats, the music beat, and then sometimes when you play drum, there is also beat there. When you play music, musical instrument, there is always a beat. What's beat? How can you create a beat? So today's lecture gonna be on that. So when you have a sound wave, yes, that sound have a certain frequency, and then we can hear a sound wave with a frequency ranging from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Above 20,000 hertz, we cannot hear. Below 20 hertz, we cannot hear. Human being cannot hear, but some animals can hear. So hertz is the unit of frequency. Frequency is the number of oscillation in 1 second. Once you find the frequency, the period is going to be 1 over frequency. So next, I will show you the sound wave frequency, and then I will increase the frequency from those frequency to the high pitch frequency. This is a generator, and then you can see that it's 2 hertz. You cannot hear it. You cannot hear. But above that you can hear. So now, after I discuss sound waves, let's discuss about beats. Beats are the result of 2 waves or 2 sound waves interfere in time. So if I have one sound wave, it's going to be always like this. If I have another sound wave, it's going to be also, it gives you some sound. But if I play 2 sound sources, I will get a beat because the 2 sound waves gonna interfere, and then they create a beat. Beat, the frequency of a beat is given by f2 minus f1, where f2 is the frequency of the second wave, f1 is the frequency of the first wave. For instance, when 2 sound waves have, one sound wave has a frequency of 400 hertz, and the other has a frequency of 401 hertz. If the frequency of the beat you hear, it's going to be 401 hertz minus 400 hertz, it's going to be 1 hertz. So since period is 1 over frequency, this is going to be 1 second. So that means if you play both sounds, what you get is a beat. So every second you will get a beep sound, beep, 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 beep. So I will show you a demo after like 5 seconds, okay? Then if you keep this one at 400, and if you increase this, the number of beats gonna increase because, and then if you keep increasing the frequency of the other source, the beep gonna increase because of the reason which I discussed. So to show you, let me generate a sound. Now let me discuss here. So I have 2 sound generators. Okay, one is this one, and the other one is this. Okay, and then let me keep 400 and 400. So if I play both of them, I will play both of them, but you don't see any beat. Because why? Because there is no any frequency difference between the 2 sound sources, sound waves. Okay, so let me play it. Now let me increase so I will keep this one at 400, but I'll increase the other one by just 1 hertz. So the beat, the difference between the 2 frequencies, 401 minus 400 is just 1 hertz. That means every 1 second, I will hear a beep. So let me play both of them, okay, at once. Bear with me. Now, let me keep this to be 400 hertz. And then let me increase this one by just another 1 hertz. Going to be 402. So the frequency of the bit going to be 400. This 400 minus 402. This means 2 hertz. So the time going to be 1/2. It's going to be 0.5 seconds. So you'll hear a beep sound 2 times in 1 second. So there's a beat here. Okay. Now, let me keep this to be 400 again. I always fix this to be 200 hertz. Now, let me increase the frequency of the second source. Let me increase, and then you see that whenever I increase this, the beep sound gonna what? It's gonna what? Increase in 1 second. So let me play this one.